Pharmacists are among the highest paid healthcare professionals in the USA. A talent shortage means they're recruiting foreign graduates for key, visa-sponsored positions. This is your complete, step-by-step guide to working as a pharmacist in the USA, where demand is high and opportunity awaits. Step 1. Confirm your degree is recognized. If you hold a B.Pharm, M.Pharm, or PharmD, you're eligible to begin this process. Step 2. Gather essential documents like transcripts, licenses, and ID. Then submit them for credential evaluation by approved U.S. agencies. Step 3. Apply to the Foreign Pharmacy Graduate Examination Committee, or FPGEC, through the official NABP online portal. Step 4. Prepare for the FPGE, the Foreign Pharmacy Graduate Equivalency Examination, covering pharmacy basics and U.S. regulations. Step 5. Take and pass the FPGE. This is a mandatory exam for most foreign pharmacy graduates seeking U.S. licensure. Step 6. Take and pass the TOEFL IBT exam. Proving English proficiency is essential for every foreign pharmacy applicant. Step 7. After passing both exams, receive your FPGEC certificate, a critical credential for moving to the next stage. Step 8. Select and apply for state pharmacist licensure. Every U.S. state has its own application and requirements. Step 9. Prepare for the NAPLEX, America's National Pharmacist Licensing Exam. Detailed study is key to passing. Step 10. Pass the NAPLEX to demonstrate the knowledge and skills required to practice as a U.S. pharmacist. Step 11. Meet with an immigration expert to determine if you qualify for H-1B, EB-2, or EB-3 visa sponsorship. Step 12. Apply for pharmacist jobs at U.S. hospitals, clinics, and chains. Target roles that offer visa sponsorship to foreign-trained professionals. Step 13. Secure your job offer, visa approval, and state license. Your new career as a U.S. pharmacist is ready to begin. Your future as a pharmacist in the USA is closer than ever. Take the first step on your professional roadmap today.